So in this video, I want to share with you how you can solve plugin installation problem. Sometime maybe you buy a plugin, a premium plugin, or you download plugin from an external site, and you want to install it, and you see an error. And mind you, from the plugin which I've from the what I've shown you so far, I've just the installation plugin I showed you is how you can install normally from just choosing from what is on WordPress site. Not all plugin will be on the WordPress site, especially if it's premium plugin. So the option is to come to your plugin, and you see upload plugin, which is usually in zip format, which you browse through your system and you upload. But in case you try uploading and you have an error, which most of the time, if the plugin is large, is too big, sometimes it will tell you file error, file exceeded. So in that case, how do you solve that kind of problem? So one of the plugins which I usually experience that kind of challenge is Web Builder plugin. I will use that as an example. To show you how to upload. If I try uploading it, it will tell me, okay, the file is big, more than what WordPress can handle. So the option what I usually do is I just go to my cPanel, which is this is my cPanel. I've logged into my cPanel. I've showed you how to log into cPanel. Then you go to File Manager. You click on File Manager. If you click on File Manager, to bring you to a page like this. Then you go to the folder which you want to work on. In this case, the domain we're working on is Billionaire Income Secret, which is this domain name. You will just double click on it, and mind you, we actually installed the domain name in a folder called blog, so which is this. So I'll just double click and enter the blog. But mind you, if you install it, you install your domain name, the WordPress in your main directory, you don't have to go through blog. You will not even see blog on your file manager. But in this case, we installed what we've been using since to do all the things that we have been doing is we install it on a blog folder. So the next page to go, the next folder to go to is your WP content. You just double click on it. Then when you double click on it, you will see some major folder like the plugin folder, like the theme folder, the upgrade folder, the upload folder. So the folder which we are interested in is the plugin folder. So in this plugin folder, all the plugin we've installed, you would see it here. You can see these are the plugin that came with it, and the one we've installed, they are all in this folder. So what I will do is to come here and click on upload. Then to take me to a space where I can actually browse through my system and pick the folder, the file I want to upload, which is this. Also, I will browse through and pick the plugin I want to install. So the plugin I want to install is a web builder. So I will click on it and browse through. Let me just browse through and pick the plugin. So I've browsed through my system and I've seen the plugin I want to install. It's in zip format. So I will just click on it. Then I'll click on open. Then the next thing we should do is to start uploading. You can see to just start uploading the file. So I will go to my cPanel. My file manager back, then extract it. So let's do that. So what I will do is just to click here and go back to the page. So it's refreshing this page. As you can see, I have here the web builder here. So I just click here and then come to this part and say extract. So I will extract the web builder on this cpan on this file manager, you can see it has extracted everything which is inside. Then I can close it and refresh this particular page again. Just reload. Then the web builder is already there. The name of this web builder is Instant Builder, which is this Instant Builder 2. That is the name of this web builder. Then as you can see, I don't need this one again. I don't need it because this is the zip file uploaded, so I don't actually need it to occupy the disk. You can actually delete this, but the main one you've installed is this, which is this. So but I can delete this by clicking on it and just clicking on delete. Then but what I've installed is this Instant Builder 2. Then what I will need to do next is to go to my plugin and activate it. So let's go to my plugin page and see if what we've done is in our plugin page. So I've just come into my plugin page. This is my plugin page, and as you can see, we have here Instant Builder 2 already on the plugin page. So I can click on activate and activate it. So you can see it is activated. So my Instant Builder is activated. So this is how to install plugin when you have difficulty trying to install it from your normal installation, which I've showed you. Then let's say when you download any plugin also from external force and external site, and the plugin is a little bit big. So sometimes when you try to install it from normal hard new from your plugin, it will give you that error. So then you can easily upload it through the cPanel to File Manager. And please note, when you download you buy a premium plugin, most time it comes in batch, which means it will be in zip file or in RAW file, but it will have the main file inside, to have a document file inside, to have some other things you need to know. So you don't just try to install it directly that way. You need to extract it first to see the contents first. From the content, then from there you can now see the folder that contain the plugin. Then you try to install the plugin. So I hope this really helps. So I will just go straight to how you can use this Instant Builder in our next video.